Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the world of AI coding tools. If you're a programmer, a data scientist, or simply curious about AI, you've probably heard of tools that can make coding smarter and faster. But did you know that there are fantastic, free AI tools available that can level up your coding game? Whether you're building machine learning models or exploring AI algorithms, these tools can save you time and effort. Let's take a look at the top 7 free AI coding tools that every developer should know about. First on the list is TensorFlow, an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google. TensorFlow has become a go-to tool for building and deploying AI models. Whether you're working with deep learning, neural networks, or natural language processing, TensorFlow offers an easy-to-use interface and a rich ecosystem. With its flexibility and scalability, TensorFlow powers everything from mobile apps to cloud-based applications. Next up is PyTorch, another incredibly popular AI framework. Developed by Facebook's AI research lab, PyTorch is known for its dynamic computation graph, which makes it ideal for research. It's highly favored by researchers and developers alike due to its simplicity and efficiency. The PyTorch ecosystem also offers great support for reinforcement learning, computer vision, and more. In fact, it has gained so much popularity that it has become the preferred tool for many in the AI community. Moving on, we have Google Colab, a free, cloud-based tool that allows you to write and execute Python code directly in your browser. Google Colab is particularly helpful for data scientists and AI enthusiasts because it offers free access to GPUs and TPUs, making it perfect for training machine learning models. With integrated support for libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch, Google Colab is a powerful, accessible tool for AI experimentation. Fourth, we have scikit-learn, one of the most well-established libraries for machine learning in Python. Scikit-learn is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great tool for both beginners and experienced developers. It comes with a wide range of algorithms for tasks like classification, regression, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. Whether you're working on a basic project or a more complex AI system, scikit-learn is a fantastic choice. Number 5 on our list is Hugging Face Transformers, a library dedicated to natural language processing (NLP) tasks. Hugging Face has made a significant impact on the NLP community by providing easy-to-use tools for tasks like text generation, translation, sentiment analysis, and more. Their models, like BERT, GPT-2, and T5, are among the most powerful language models available, and Hugging Face allows developers to easily integrate them into their applications with just a few lines of code. The next tool is OpenCV, an open-source computer vision library. OpenCV, open-source computer vision library, allows you to process images and videos, and even detect objects in real time. It's an essential tool for anyone working in computer vision and robotics. With over 2,500 optimized algorithms, OpenCV enables tasks like facial recognition, motion tracking, and image segmentation. Last but not least is FastAI, a deep learning library built on top of PyTorch. FastAI is designed to make deep learning more accessible by providing high-level components that can be easily customized for your needs. It's great for people who are new to AI and machine learning, as it offers simple APIs for training deep learning models with just a few lines of code. Whether you're building a neural network for image classification or working with NLP, FastAI simplifies the process while maintaining flexibility. So, let's recap these 7 tools. 1. TensorFlow, a powerful framework for machine learning and deep learning. 2. PyTorch, known for its dynamic computation graph and research-friendly features. 3. Google Colab, a free, cloud-based environment perfect for training AI models with access to GPUs and TPUs. 4. Scikit-learn, a library offering machine learning algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and more. 5. Hugging Face Transformers, a library dedicated to natural language processing tasks. 6. OpenCV, an open-source library for computer vision and image processing. 7. Fast AI, a deep learning library that makes complex tasks simple and accessible. All of these tools are open source and free to use, making them perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals alike. But you may be wondering, which tool should I start with? Well, it depends on your goals. If you're just starting with AI, Google Colab and Fast AI are great places to begin because they simplify many tasks and have active communities. For more complex tasks, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and OpenCV are ideal choices. And for anyone working with natural language processing, Hugging Face is an absolute game changer. Now, let's take a quick look at how these tools are used in the real world. TensorFlow has been used in everything from healthcare applications like predicting disease to self-driving cars and AI assistants. PyTorch powers major applications in fields like robotics, computer vision, and healthcare. Google Colab is widely used in educational settings, allowing students and teachers to run machine learning models on powerful hardware without needing a dedicated machine. Scikit-learn is a favorite for businesses looking to build quick machine learning prototypes without the need for complex infrastructure. Hugging Face Transformers is being used to build state-of-the-art language models for applications like chatbots, automatic translation, and content generation. OpenCV is being used in industries ranging from security, facial recognition systems, to entertainment, real-time video effects. And Fast AI has enabled countless developers to quickly prototype deep learning models for a variety of industries, making deep learning accessible to more people than ever before. In conclusion, these 7 free AI coding tools are essential for anyone looking to dive into the world of artificial intelligence. With the help of these tools, you can begin to build AI models, experiment with machine learning algorithms, and even deploy sophisticated applications in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try out. Stay tuned for more awesome content in the future. Thank you for watching.